It's time for Cake at Stake. Boom! We got 5 votes. If the person is safe, gets 8 hot dogs.
Yeah!
The people who got 0 votes are Snowflake, Umbrella, Sparkle, Foggy, Rainbow, and Moon. Bubble, you're safe with only 1 vote. So now it's down to Cloudy and Star. Let's see who's gonna be eliminated. Cloudy safe with 1 vote. Star, you're eliminated with 3 votes.
What? You can't do that! Anyways, what are you gonna send me if I'm eliminated?
You're going to.
Man for life.
What? This can't be serious!
Now with Star gone, Rainbow should be the new team leader. The third challenge is a rap battle. So, which means the first team has to rap first, and then the other team has to. Whoever has the stupidest bad rap will be up for elimination. Begin!
What's up, I'm Rainbow, I'm here to slay. I go from the weather to St. Patrick's Day. I play games like Little Big Planet to display. It was my birthday yesterday.
Roar, 2, 1. Roar, 2, 1.
And now, the winner is... Team Sunshine!
In your face!
Good job, Rainbow. That was cool.
It's okay, Teardrop. Mistakes happen. I lost when I was little.
So that means Stay Stupid's up for elimination. Go in the comments using the lettering score brackets on who deserves to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will be BFW.